Vale vale neme chando na ende menge nonye nenda gerati bawatia bakulia batalere baekende Sae nanjete omoyo bokorwa Sae nanjete omoyo bokorwa Sae nanjete omoyo bokorwa Sae nanjete omoyo bokorwa
Ladies and gentlemen, it's 3 p.m. East African time, and as you can see, we've been here since morning. Tumekuwa hapa tangu asubuhi, tulifika hapa saa 2 na mvua imenyesha for the past around 1 hour and 30 minutes because ilianza kunyesha around actually 2 hours. Yes, ilianza kunyesha around saa 7 and this is 3 na bado haijaisha, so tunanyeshewa tu, but we must finish the journey. Yeah, tumekuwa hapo kwa gari, tumenyeshewa sana, tumekaa kidogo hapo, so mvua imepungua kidogo and we must go back. Tunaendelea kutengeneza, tunatengeneza hapa at least tuweke mabati because right now ni miti ambayo tumeweka hapa juu and well, you can see I'm in gumboots. Well, hey. It's hectic here. Okay. Oh yes. Now, you can see this is the house here, ndio nyumba. Na mafundi wako tu, hata kama kuna mvua kidogo kidogo, but we must finish this thing, but we can't finish today. Tunataka kuweka miti juu, kama itawezekana tuweke mabati ile yenye itapatikana kidogo, then from there we will appeal for your help ile tumalize. We need like at most 45 iron sheets. Tutakuwa tunamaliza hapa, na by the way tutachinja kuku tukimaliza kuboma hii nyumba yote, tuweke mabati, tutapiga sherehe hapa my friend, na itakuwa live. Tutapiga sherehe hapa, tunasherekea hapa ndani, tunachinja kuku, tunakunywa soda, tulete pasta, aombe hiyo nyumba. Then we call it a day. Tuambie kijana sasa ishini kwa amani. Mungu awe nawe, tukubariki upate watoto 10. Na maisha inaendelea tu. So this is where we are. Ikifika saa 10 kama tutakuwa tumemaliza because we have like 1 hour ama saa 11 tutaenda alafu tutarudi kesho. So we promise you tutaweka mabati leo. But as things go by na vile mvua imenyesha, I don't think tunawezeka mabati leo. But anyway, wacha tukimbishe tuone hiyo miti wanaweka juu, tuone watafika wapi. Kama watamaliza leo, then again tomorrow we shall be here early in the morning. So tuendelee na kazi wase. Naona niko kwa gumboots. Mvua imenyesha. Hey, sisi tuko site. Wewe kaa America to support. Wewe tuma mabati 1, mabati 2, mabati 3, tuma misumari. By the way, tunahitaji miti ya okay, there's one friend of mine from Central Kenya. Aliniuliza kaka, sasa hapa mteka mabati mpaka chini. Nikamwambia karija wakisia tuwekane mabati chini. Hapa tunaboma my friend. Unakanyaga, unalima mchanga, unalima mchanga, unaweka maji, then unaanza kupiga densi. Unakanyaga kabisa, alafu unawekelea hapo ndani. Anyway, sisi tuko hapa kupatia updates until we finish. Acha tuchape kazi mazee.
era nabali bakolera, era nabali bakolera, era nabali bakolera.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's very cold here, very cold. That's why you can see me in a jumper and I'm like shivering, you know. It has been raining since 1 p.m. East African time and this is around 5:30 p.m. So it's getting cold here, but hapa ndio tumefika. This is where we've arrived since morning. Tumekuwa tukijenga, tumeweka miti juu, and because it has been raining we could not finish, but tumemaliza kuweka miti juu. Then I hope tomorrow we'll be putting iron sheets. So far we have collected 20 iron sheets and we are remaining with around 25 of them. That's around 25,000. We're also appealing to well wishers to give us at least 2 doors. One door goes at 3,500 times 2. That is around 7,000. When you add 25,000, that's around 30-something thousand. And of course, mafundi wanahitaji kulipwa. So ladies and gentlemen, we really thank those who have supported us this far. Alan Imbugwa from the US, God bless you so much. We received your donation. Anastasia Kinia from the US, God bless you. We received your donation. Dennis Areba, we thank you. I'm reading the names of those people who have supported us since we started this program of building the house. Yeah, with Consolata Okech, thank you so much. We have Benson Kamau from the US, God bless you so much. With Henry Kihanya, God bless you, we received your contribution. With Angela Nderito, God bless you, we received your contribution. Who else is here? Let me see. We have Titus Kimondo from the US. God bless you. We received your contribution. There is another one who sent me from the cooperative bank. They didn't show the name. Yeah. But we received your cash. God bless you so much. Let me see if there is someone. We have, who is this? Let me see another one here. Let me see if there is another one here. Let me see if there is another one here. Oh, we have Hilda Wairimu Njuguna from the US. God bless you so much. We have another one. Who is this? Let me see. I'm going through my M-Pesa. Let me see. Okay. Is there another one here? Okay. Let me see. We have Jedida Ndewa. God bless you so much. We received your cash. And those people have not been able to mention. I hope. And we really thank you. Kama sijakutaja jina lako, just know we received your cash. And God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are appealing for your support so that when we come here tomorrow, we finish the project. Please support us to raise at least, let's say 40,000 to complete this, tulipe mafundi, tununue the remaining mabati, tununue milango, so that tukitoka hapa, tumwache akiboma, na akishamaliza tu, tutakuja tena kufungua nyumba rasmi. So we really thank you so much. To this far is because of your support. Tomorrow again will be a very early in the morning to just make sure that we finished here. We're roofing. Kama tutapata mabati yenye mebakia, tutaweka ile tuko nayo, and then we pray God to give us another one. Kama Mungu amekukuza, you can give us the whole of 25 iron sheets. That's around 25,000. Or you can give us a half, and another one gives us a half. You can give us 5 iron sheets. As we collect tonight, tukiamuka asubuhi, tupate we have 25 iron sheets, tumalize nyumba na tutawashukuru sana. So, see you tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, hi, I am telling you, it's cold. You can see I'm in gumboots, matope. Hey, it has been hectic, but we really thank God. God bless you. See you tomorrow.
Era nabali bakolera Bachondegete